अब सही है।
Okay, question number 2 for each of the following. Question number 2 for each of the following figures, find the value of the unknown. Okay, so in this case, A is the unknown, this A is the unknown, this A is the unknown, this A. So we need to find the value of unknown. A and B कौन सा कर लूँ? Let's do part B.
Part A.
Part A. Okay. अच्छा, so as we know that this angle is equal to
360.
yeah 360 will be equal to the addition of
ये समझ आ गया, मैं नेक्स्ट वाला ट्राई करती हूँ। कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया सर।
yes
अब मुझे इसका कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया तो मैं पार्ट बी ट्राई करती हूँ।
पार्ट बी भी इजी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरफ आ जाओ। ओके,
मैं
इसमें
ट्राई करती हूँ।
अननोन फाइंड करना है, सो ट्राई दिस।
और नहीं, ये नहीं समझ आ रहा, इसमें ब्लैंक स्पेसेस क्यों हैं?
yes, blank spaces, actually there is a small concepts hidden behind this plan. Okay, the acha, in this case this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. Okay, what is this?
Alpha.
Wait. Aisha, what is this?
आपने कहा था this angle is alpha and this angle.
Yes. वो एंगल नहीं है।
Oh.
Yeah, this angle is alpha, this angle is beta. Okay.
Okay.
अच्छा, what is this? ये मैंने क्या बनाया है?
Crosses.
No. In daily life, I hope you will use it for your during your hair cutting. Hopefully you will also use
Scissors.
Yeah, scissors. अच्छा, इसको अगर आप नीचे लाओगी, okay, and you also bring this toward in this direction, so ये दोनों क्या होंगे?
Connect.
Yeah, this will also move like downward and this will also move downward. अच्छा, एक कंडीशन इस तरह आएगा कि ये इस तरह हो जाएंगी। तो यहाँ पे एंगल क्या हो जाएगा? अल्फा विल बी इक्वल टू
Alpha will be equal to bat.
अल्फा क्या हो जाएगा जब ये दोनों इफ ए एंड बी मीट टू ईच अदर? अल्फा क्या हो जाएगा? इन दिस केस अल्फा विल बी इक्वल टू
bat.
नो, अल्फा विल बी इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री। ओके, या ये एंगल इतना था। So if you move this toward in this direction and this a toward this direction, so then your alpha will get 0. Okay, ये angle आपका 0 हो जाएगा and automatically your b angle will also get 0. यहाँ पे देख लो, जब ये close होंगे तो ये भी close होगा, जब ये open होगा ये side तो this side will also get open. Okay, so can I write it like this? My alpha angle is equal to beta angle.
Yes.
Because okay, and if you decrease alpha, then your beta angle will also get decreased.
So like same angle type thing.
Yeah, so your alpha angle is equal to beta angle.
तो ये जो अननोन है इनका एक जो मैं फाइंड आउट कर लूंगी तो फिर सेम होगा उनका।
Actually, you can take this as an example. Like in this case, if you bring this toward this direction, or if you close this scissor, then what will happen? Alpha will be equal to 0 and automatically beta angle will also get 0. So you can write it like your alpha angle is equal to beta. So it means that this angle will be equal to this angle. So in this case, this angle, these two angles will be equal to each other. That will be equal to 2a. this is the opposite. This is known as the vertically opposite angle. Okay, this is also the vertical opposite angle. That will be equal to this angle is also vertically opposite angle. That will be equal to
अब ठीक है.
yes.
Okay.
अच्छा
तो फिर मैं कह रही थी अल्फा बेट जब आप अल्फा को डिक्रीज करते फिर बेट भी डिक्रीज होता है, लेकिन उनका नंबर सेम है, तो फिर मुझे वो नहीं समझ आ.
एक्चुअली वो मैं आपको समझा रहा था. Like if you decrease this angle, so this angle will also get decrease. If you increase this angle, so this angle will also get increased. So it means that this angle is equal to this angle. So I can write this for a minus 17 here, for a minus 17, because one end of this angle, this is the angle, okay? So one end of this angle is touching the black line and second end of this angle is touching the red line. Similarly, one end of this angle is touching the black line and second end of this angle is touching the red line. तो दोनों एक ही सेम लाइंस को टच कर रहा है. So that's why these two angles are equal to each other. इसी तरह यहाँ पे देख लो. So this line is your yellow line. So now one end of this 3a minus 10 degree is touching the black line and second corner of this angle is touching the yellow line. Similarly, in this angle,
the same है.
one angle
Yeah,
is touching the black line, second end is touching the yellow line. तो ये दोनों एंगल भी सेम हो जाएंगे. ओके, सेम लाइंस को टच कर रहे हैं. इसी तरह इस एंगल के लाइंस को देख लो, कौन कौन से लाइंस को टच कर रहा है. रेड एंड येलो. यहाँ पे देख लो, येलो एंड रेड. ओके, तो सेम लाइंस को टच कर रहे हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई these two angles will also be equal to each other. Now you know that 360 degree angle is equal to the summation of all these for a
okay.
Okay, you solve this, so you will get the value of a. In this case, in each of the following figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the value of the unknown. Question number 4. So in this question, AB line is parallel to CD line. Okay. Find the value of the unknown. We need to find the value of A.
I think मुझे पता है A के लिए, क्योंकि सेम ये सेम है, तो A 126 होगा.
नो, दूसरा लाइन तो सेम नहीं है. दूसरा कॉर्नर भी चेक कर लो. यस, वन कॉर्नर रेड लाइन को टच कर रहा है, सेकंड कॉर्नर. ओके, अच्छा यहाँ पे देख लो. होपफुली यू आल्सो आप लोगों ने अल्टरनेट एंगल, यू स्टडीड अल्टरनेट एंगल, vertically opposite angle. You studied all these things. Okay, these two angle are the alternate angle and these two angle will be equal to each other. Okay, if this line is parallel to this line, okay, Aisha यहाँ पे देख लो, there is some sort of another concepts hidden behind these type of question. So if these two lines are parallel to each other and this black line is crossing these two parallel lines, then angle made by this black line with this red line will be equal to the angle made by this red line with this black line. Okay, so these two angle will be these two angle are known as the alternate angle. Similarly, these two angle will also be the alternate angle. Okay, these two angle will also be the alternate angle, but these two angles are known as the exterior alternate angle. Acha, this angle will be equal to this angle, okay? These two angles will be equal to each other, so these two angles are known as the corresponding angle. Similarly, these two angles will also be equal to each other, and these two angles will also be known as corresponding angle, okay? Acha, these two angles will also be known as the corresponding angle, and these two angles will be equal to each other, okay? तो यहाँ पे देख लो, so in this case, this angle, okay, यहाँ पे black line कौन सा है, and these two lines are parallel to each other, and the black line is this one. This is the black line जो वहाँ पे मैंने ड्रॉ की है, okay, and this black line is crossing these two parallel lines. So in this case the alternate angle will be equal to each other. तो यहाँ पे alternate angle क्या क्या होगा? Alternate angle red line, ये दोनों ये this angle जिस तरह यहाँ पे interior alternate angle, this angle is equal to this angle. So in this A will be equal to this A, this will also be equal to A, okay? This angle is given to you A, so this will be equal to A. Similarly यहाँ पे देख लो, तो this line is also crossing two parallel lines. This line is parallel to this line. So यहाँ पे देख लो, so this is 126, so this will also be equal to 126. Okay, these two are the alternate angles, and these two angles will be equal to each other. So now can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? 126 plus A is equal to 250. Okay, A angle will be equal to 124 degree.
180 equals 6. B minus 21 plus 5B minus 52.
इन सबको ऐड करो. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मैंने वो कंसेप्ट यूज़ किए हैं, अल्टरनेट एंगल्स वाले कंसेप्ट यूज़ किए हैं, ओके? This line is parallel to this line, okay, and this line is crossing these two parallel lines. So this angle will be the alternate angle of this angle, okay? And as I already told you that alternate angle will be equal to each other. So ये angle 6b minus 21 will be that angle will be equal to this angle 6b minus 21. Okay, so यहाँ पे देख लो तो आपका टोटल एंगल कितना आ रहा है 180 डिग्री. So you can write it like 180 is equal to this angle plus this angle. इनको आप सॉल्व कर लो फर्दर, सो यू विल गेट द बी एंगल. सॉल्व कर लो, इन सबको ऐड कर लो, इससे क्या आता है 180 प्लस 21 प्लस 52. These two are the vertical opposite angles, so you can write it like this. क्योंकि एंगल्स के कॉर्नर को चेक कर लो तो एक इस लाइन को, दोनों इस लाइन को टच कर रहे हैं और एंगल का दूसरा कॉर्नर दोनों एंगल्स इस लाइन को टच कर रहे हैं. So that's why you can write it like this. 3c is equal to 6b minus 21. So b value is 23. So your 3c will be equal to 6 into b value is 23 minus 21. So solve this. From this you will get the final answer. Next question, that is question number. Okay, in this question, let's solve part D.
37 degrees.
Draw another parallel lines. You can draw these parallel lines like this. So now this line is parallel to this line, and this black line is crossing these two parallel lines.
Okay.
So in this case, this is the parallel line, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, so it means that this angle will be equal to 37. Now let's check this angle. This angle is the 80, so this angle will also be equal to 80. Okay, now let's check this angle. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to E minus 80. So this angle will also be equal to E minus 80. So now can I write it like this? ये आपका कंप्लीट एंगल यहाँ पे बन रहा है, सर्कल बन रहा है. So can I write it like this? 285 plus 37 plus E minus 18 is equal to 360 degree. E plus 304 is equal to 360 degree. So E is equal to 360 minus 304. That's equal to 56.
Yes.
Okay, now solve part E.
Right.
Okay, this angle is the alternate angle of this one.
57 degrees.
No.
This paper wala.
Yes, you need to find the value of f. So यहाँ पे this angle is the alternate angle of this one. Now you will need to find this angle, and that should be equal to total angle कितना बन रहा है, half circle बन रहा है 180 is equal to unknown plus 122. Unknown is equal to
122 minus 180 equals to 58.
So it means that this angle will be equal to 58. अच्छा, sum of all angle in a triangle is equal to this is your triangle. So sum of all angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree.
Okay, so 57 plus 58 equals to 180. Equals to.
So this angle will be equal to 65. So F angle will be equal to 65. Okay, समझ आ गया? पार्ट F सॉल्व कर लो. Okay, यहाँ पे देख लो. So I can draw one another parallel line over here. Okay, you can draw the extra parallel lines. So I will need to draw another parallel lines over here. Okay, so आपके पास ये क्या हो जाएंगे,
Hmm.
We have three parallel lines. Okay, so now in this case what will happen, this is 180, so
Okay.
this angle will be equal to 1 238 minus 180. जैसे 180 extract कर लो, so you will get the another angle 58 आ जाएगा आपके पास.
ठीक है.
Okay, so okay, this is 58, so it means कि your this angle which is the alternate angle, okay, दोनों देख लो alternate है एक दूसरे के, so this angle will also be equal to 58. Got it? Now let's check the another side angle. This black line is also crossing these two parallel lines, and this is 37, so it means that this angle will also be equal to 37. So it means that this 5G angle is equal to 37 plus 58. Okay, 37 plus 58 means that 5G is equal to 37 plus 58. So your 5G angle will be equal to 37 plus 58 is equal to 95. So your G angle will be equal to 95 divided by 5. So that will be equal to 90.
Hmm.
So your G angle will be equal to 90, which is the unknown. अब समझ आ गया आपको क्या नहीं? अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लेते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे देख लो. सो दिस लाइन इज द पैरेलल लाइन ऑफ दिस वन. ओके, ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल हैं. ओके, so I will need to draw another parallel line over here. This unknown side will be equal to 64. Unknown sides will be equal to 64. Okay, so this will be equal to 64. Okay, we need to find this angle CDE. We need to find this angle. Okay, तो सम कंप्लीट एंगल कितना है? फुल एंगल इज 180 डिग्री. यहाँ पे देख लो, तो दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. Okay, so can I write it like this? 180 will be equal to, this is unknown plus u, which is equal to 64. So your u will be equal to 180 minus 64. So your u will be equal to 180 minus 64. That will be equal to 116. So the answer of this part will be equal to 116. The second part is ABH. ABH, we will need to find this angle. Okay, तो यहाँ पे देख लो, these two lines are the parallel lines. These two lines are the parallel lines. Okay, so it means that your this angle will be equal to this angle. तो unknown कितना था? 64 था. 64 will be equal to 74 plus b. So your b will be equal to 64 minus 74, which is equal to 10 degree. 116 minus 74, that's equal to 42. So your B angle will be equal to 42. This angle will be equal to 42, which is the answer of second part.